What is up, you guys? It's your favorite producer, Ron, got the recipe, and today I'm excited to show you how I use Addictive Drums 2 with my E-Kit and production. Don't forget to like this video, share it with a friend, and if you want to see more videos like this, subscribe to my channel. Gotta shout out xlnaudio for giving me Addictive Drums 2 and their entire suite. Now I get to create content around their plugins and give you guys breakdowns like this one right here. Let's get into it. So the first thing you're gonna need is your E-Kit. Make sure it's connected and powered on. Once you've opened up your DAW, load up your plugin, Addictive Drums 2. Click on the drop-down tab that has the 3 lines next to it. It should be right next to the beat tab. Here, you can refresh your library, open an external MIDI folder. You can scale the plugin to be as big or as small as you want it to be. But for right now, we're gonna go ahead and click Map Window. Once you click Map Window, go ahead and click Map Preset, the drop-down. From there, you can go ahead and select the model E-Kit you're using. Once you find your kit, you're good to go. You can go ahead and explore the beautiful world of Addictive Drums 2. But let's take it a step further. What if your hi-hat pedal is not opening or closing correctly? Or maybe you want to change your ride cymbal from bell to tip or shaft or whatever. I'm going to show you how to do it. First thing we're going to do is go back to the map window. Select what part of the drum you want to change. In my case, I'll be changing my ride cymbal from shaft tip to just tip. On your E-Kit, hit the drum you want to change. Then click on the Learn tab. The Learn tab will now change it to exactly what you want. In my case, I'm changing the ride cymbal to only tip. So wherever I hit on the cymbal, it'll just give me the tip. It will only give me exactly what I select. Once you hit the Learn button, confirm the change has been made by hitting your E-Kit, and it should play exactly what you changed it to. Hit the OK button and you're all set. But let's take it a step further. Swapping out drums, grouping them together, and customization has never been easier. xlnaudio did a great job by putting everything right in front of your face, and it's super easy to do. So to change an individual drum, all you need to do is click on the name of the drum. Or you can click on the up and down arrows right next to the name, or you can even hit the L. The L will bring up a menu where you can see all the drums that you have access to and a really nice visual too. I like it. In my case, I changed the kick to a Kajan or a Kahan, however you want to pronounce it, it's up to you. I'm gonna say Kajan. It could be Kahan though. And I linked it to a drum trigger for a little more thump. So you can do this by hovering over the KP linking icon and then hold and drag it to the drum you want to link it to. The possibilities with this are endless, as you can drag 2 snares together, or a snare and a clap, or a snare and a bell, or a kick with an 808. It all depends what you want to do. The possibilities are endless. It's really simple to do. It's such a cool feature and I just love it. So you're all set. But let's take it a step further. So I personally like my drums super dead, like no effects on them. I like to put my own effects on them and make them thump my own way. So I'm gonna show you 4 really important tabs that are right in front of your face that you should know about. So 1, we've got overheads, 2, we've got room, 3, we've got bus, and 4, we've got send effects. If you want to hear more cymbals, more top end, more highs, and you want to go ahead and play around with the overhead fader, you can turn it up, turn it down, whatever your taste is, play around with it. Maybe you want to hear more presence from the drum altogether, then go ahead and adjust the room fader. Maybe you want to play with the EQ, the saturation, distortion, add some noise to it. You can do this from the bus effects fader. You can actually turn the fader up or down, or click on the bus effects tab and dial in each of those parameters exactly where you want it at. And last but not least, if you want to add more effects or some nice reverbs and delays to your drums, you can do this from the send effects tab. I happen to always turn this off, but it's totally up to you. You can turn these effects back on by clicking the squares at the top left. You can dial in your effects to how wet or dry you want them. You can even control the level of it right underneath the send tab. There's the effects level knob where you can change it to whatever you want. Really simple, right at your fingertips. You can't miss it. This is a work of art. All right, so let's take it a step further. You now know how to map out your drums. You know how to customize individual drums. You know how to do your effects, your sends, your room, your overhead. But now that you got that all together, you've done all this hard work to create the ultimate drum set, right? You got to save your work. So now what you're going to do is save this preset. And this is super handy because if you ever want to just pull up drums quickly, you can do this by saving a preset. So how do you save a preset? On the left side of the plugin, you want to hit the floppy disk icon. Once you click the floppy disk looking icon, you can go ahead and save your preset, name it to whatever you want, and then you click save. If you ever want to load up that preset, all you've got to do is click the My Presets tab, and a list of all your presets will show up in a beautiful drop down to your disposal. Enjoy. So I hope you enjoyed this video. Again, thank you to xlnaudio. Like, subscribe, and share this video with a friend. Hope it was helpful. Peace.
Hey, what's up, y'all? Thanks for watching this video. I really appreciate it. If you like what you saw, don't forget to leave a comment, a like, share this video with a friend, and if you want to see more videos like this, subscribe to the channel. Peace.